This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, admin access, SSH keys, and VPN if needed. Once done, identify the target scope, IP ranges, host names, or service endpoints, and avoid scope creep. Next, launch lightweight discovery. Run masscan for broad coverage, then nmap for port detail. Make sure to save results in a structured file. This immediate action exposes live hosts and open ports, so you can move fast into focused validation with evidence and repeatable steps. Once discovery yields hosts, you pivot to deeper inspection. Enumerate services, collect version banners, and pull HTTP headers to reveal frameworks. Then run targeted vulnerability scanners and craft small manual probes where automated tests miss logic flaws. Make sure to correlate evidence. Match a service version to known CVEs and test exploitability at low risk. You should prioritize results by likelihood and potential impact. Then document reproducible steps that confirm each finding for remediation planning. You finish by turning findings into action. Provide precise remediation, patch versions, adjust configs, rotate credentials, and include verification steps for each item. Once remediate, rescan and validate access controls to ensure the issue is closed without creating regressions. Make sure to communicate severity and reproduce steps for stakeholders. If something goes wrong, especially scans failing or false negatives, check network filters, host-based agents, and timing. Rerun scans in small batches to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.